Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change or customize your keyboard's background theme on Android. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change or customize your keyboard's background theme on Android, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to open your phone settings. And after opening your phone settings, next, I want you to tap this search bar right here. And then search for Gboard. And after searching, you will now be able to find Gboard, which is where we can change our keyboard settings including its theme, so just go and tap it. But if you can't find the Gboard option after searching, or if you don't have this search option on your phone, just scroll down until you find the additional settings. And here on the additional settings, I want you to tap the languages and input option. And then tap Manage Keyboard. And after that, you will now be able to see the Gboard option right here. Just go and tap it. And then you will now be on your Gboard settings. And here on Gboard settings, you will now be able to see the theme option, which is where you can change the theme of your keyboard, so just go and tap it. And here on themes, you will now be able to see many different keyboard themes you can use, so just select whatever you like. But if you want to use your own image as your keyboard theme, just go and tap this plus button. And then you will now be able to see all the images saved on your device, so just select the one that you want to set as your new keyboard theme. And after selecting, you will be able to see a preview on how your keyboard would look like with your image. This will allow you to decide if you like it. And once you've decided that you like your new keyboard theme, just tap Done. And then you can now tap the Apply button to completely save your changes. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your keyboard theme will now be changed successfully. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.